Good day everyone, my name is Marjan B. Midorio. I am here to share to you my learning about the pilot ladder. First, we talk about the safety precautions. Pilot ladder are to be regularly inspected for wear and tear of the side ropes, missing wedges and damages on the steps. The steps should never be painted and should be kept clean, free from oil and grease. All the steps should be equally spaced between the side ropes, and the distance between two steps should be uniform. What is a pilot ladder? The pilot ladder is special types of the ropes ladder used on board ships for embarking and disembarking of the maritime pilots. It is one of the very first thing which will give an impression to the pilot about the crew and the master on board. An extremely important thing to consider for the ship's crew. The pilot ladder should therefore be maintained in good condition and reach properly the safer transfer of personnel. Needless to say, even the minutest negligence can lead to major mishap. Ranging of pilot ladder. A pilot ladder should be capable of covering the whole length from the point of access to the water level. The height from water level is informed to the bridge by the port control of the pilot himself, depending on the height of the pilot vessel. Then, the top portion of head of the pilot ladders should be secured the strongest point of the vessel. Then the pilot ladder should be positioned and secure so that is clear of any discharge from the ship within parallel body length of the ship, and as far as practicable within the halfway length of the ship. Then, all steps of the pilot ladder should rest firmly against the ship's side. In certain ships, where constructional features such as fenders or rubbing band prevent the implementation of above safely features, special arrangements are to be made for safe embarkation and disembarkation. And then, two-man ropes to be between 28mm and 32mm diameter and made of manila ropes or other material which gives firm grip for climbing the ladder. Should be reached along the side of pilot ladder is requested. Then, during night, the whole length of the pilot ladder, point access, and egress should be well illuminated. A light bulb with self-igniting light and heaving line should be kept ready, and hold stanchion and bulwark ladder are to be used if required. And then, if the point of access from sea level is more than 9 meters, a combination ladder should be used. A combination ladder is a conjunction of the pilot ladder and accommodation ladder. This is a common arrangement found on vessel with high freeboard. The accommodation ladder is ridged in such a way that is led aft of the vessel and has a slope angle of not more than 55 degrees. Actions to be taken by officers of the watch before using the pilot ladder. First, collect necessary information like VHF channel use by the pilot position, pilot ground, and other services. This information can be obtained from medical publication NB 286 Adminitary List of the Radio Signals or ALRS for the particular port of the from guide port entry. Vessel traffic services of the particular area also provides such information. Second, maintain watch of the VHF channel, which is used by the pilot. It is mostly dedicated channel different from the channels used by port control and vessel traffic scheme. Third, calculate the ATA estimated time of arrival of the pilot, boarding ground, observe prevailing weather condition and sea state, and the same has to be reported to the master. Follow on the VHF channel and to give information such as ATA to pilot ground, drought and freeboard of the vessel, the length of the vessel, type of propeller vessel, current, speed, overground, and course made good, and etc. Fifth, ask and receive information such as berthing prospectus, the side pilot ladder to be reached, the height of pilot ladder, form water level, speed and course to be maintained, and report all the data received to the master. 6. Monitor the pilot vessel. Maintain proper communication between the pilot vessel and on ship. The officer responsible should be present near the point of access to receive the pilot on board of when he disembarked. The pilot on board and disembarking time should be noted and recorded. Maintenance of the pilot ladder. Pilot ladders are to be regularly inspected for wear and tear of the side ropes, missing wedges and damages on the steps. The steps should never be painted and should be kept clean, free from oil and grease. Second, all the steps should be equally spaced between the side ropes and the distance between those steps should be uniform. Third, the steps should be always horizontal. Any faulty steps found should be replaced immediately. Fourth, the side ropes are made of Manila rope. They should be continuous and free-form ties and joints below the first steps of the pilot ladder. The shackles used to secure the pilot ladder should have equal strength and durability, same as that of side ropes used. Fifth, once the pilotage operation is over, the pilot ladder should be secured instead of left hanging on the ship side. The pilot ladder should be stow and dry and well ventilated space clear of the deck and fitted with cover to prevent the ladder from sunlight, chemical and paint spells. 6. It is to note that pilot ladders are solely used for the purpose of embarkation and disembarkation of the personnel. It should never be used of any other purpose like road trading or any other maintenance work. Pilot ladders should be well maintained and properly stowed, which ensures safe, convenient, and unobstructed passage while pilot transfer. More information on pilot ladder regulation regarding construction and specialization can be found in SOLAS Chapter 5 under the Regulation Safety of Navigation.